Good morning, children. So today we will start the chapter 7, that is linear equations. So linear equation. Consider the following algebraic expression, that is thrice x, comma twice x plus 5, thrice r minus 5. We know all these are algebraic expressions. So in the above expression there is only one variable and the exponent of that variable is 1. As we can see, there is only one variable and the exponent of this x is 1. Since we have not written anything here, so therefore the exponent of this x is 1. So here it is one variable and the exponent of this x is 1. Here it is one variable and the exponent of this r is 1. So therefore in the above expression there is only one variable and the exponent of that variable is 1. Such algebraic expressions are called linear expressions in one variable. So these are known as linear expressions in one variable. If the exponent of the uh, unknown variable is 1 in an algebraic expression, so such type of algebraic expression is known as a linear expression. And since here in the given expression there is only one variable, so these are the linear expression in one variables. So the linear algebraic expression when connected by the sign of equality is known as a linear equation. So if we give a equal sign, then it becomes a linear equation. As we know, this is a linear expression. So when we give the equal sign, it becomes a linear equation. So similarly, this is thrice r minus 5. So this is a linear expression. So suppose if we write like this, that thrice r minus 5 equals to 0. Now it becomes a linear equation since we have given the equality sign. And the value of x which satisfy both the sides of the equality is called the solution or root of the given equation. So that value of x which satisfy both the sides of the equality in this given equation, so it is known as the solution or root of the given equation. So for example, here the equation is twice x plus 3 is equals to 11. So if we put x is equals to 4, then the LHS part, the left hand side part, that is twice x plus 3, if we put the value of x as 4, let's see what happens. That is 2 into 4 plus 3, that is 2 into 4, that is 8, 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. So which is the right hand side part? So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. So therefore 4 is the solution of these linear equations, because by putting 4 in the unknown variable we satisfied the equation. By putting the value of x as 4 in the left hand side, we obtain the right hand side. So therefore x is equals to 4, that is 4 is the solution of the linear equation twice x plus 3 is equals to 11. So this is known as the solution or root. It is also known as root. Then the solution is obtained by, and this we already learned in the lower class, how we obtain the solution by adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing same quantity on both sides of the equation. In an equation, we obtain the solution from an equation by adding some quantity on both the sides. Same quantity. When we add some quantity, we have to add the same quantity on both the sides. Similarly, when we subtract some quantity, we have to subtract the same quantity from both the sides. When we multiply something, we have to multiply same quantity on both the sides. When it divide by some quantity, we have to divide by same quantity on both the sides of the equation. Or the second method, we can follow the rule of transposition. That is, if we transpose, that means if we transfer the values from one side of the equation to the other side, that is known as transpose. So if we transpose any quantity from one side of the equation to the other side, then its sign changes. That is, plus becomes minus. So when we take any value from the left hand side to the right hand side or right hand side to the left hand side, if it is plus, then it becomes minus. If it is minus, then it becomes plus. If it is multiplied, then it becomes divide. If it is divide, then it becomes multiply. So this is the rule of transposition. So let's move to exercise 7a. So exercise 7a, it is given that solve the following equations and check your answer. That means we need to obtain the solution of these equations, and after obtaining the solution we need to check whether it is satisfying both the left hand side and right hand side of the equation or not. So question number 1, Roman number 1, it is given 10p minus thrice p minus 4 is equals to 4 into p plus 1 plus 9. So this we can remove. When we remove this bracket sign, it becomes minus thrice p, minus minus it becomes plus, plus 4 is equals to thrice p is equals to 4p plus 4 plus 9. So therefore 10p minus 3p, it is 7p plus 4. Again 4p plus 4 plus 9, it is 13. So this 4p, when we take to the other side, here it is plus. So therefore by the rule of transposition, when it comes to the other side, that means when it comes to the left hand side from the right hand side, so it becomes minus. Similarly, if we take this to the other side, that is if 4 goes from the left hand side to right hand side, so it becomes minus. So since it is plus, this 4p we took to the left hand side and this 4 we took it to the right hand side. So therefore 7p minus 4p is thrice p and 13 minus 4 is equals to 9. So therefore the value of p is equals to 9 divided by 3. So therefore p is equals to 3. So this is the value of p equals 3. So here we applied the rule of transposition. Now check. So let us check. Let us take the LHS part. LHS part, it is given as 10p minus within bracket thrice p minus 4. So if we put the value of p as 3, let's see what happens. So it becomes 10 into 3 30, and this is 3 into 3, that is 9 minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So therefore 30 minus 5 is 25. Similarly, let us take the right hand side, that is 4 into p plus 1 plus 9. If we put the value of p as 3, so let's see what happens. So 4 into 4 plus 9, that is 16 plus 9, 25. As we can see, both the LHS and RHS we got 25. So therefore we can write that LHS is equals to RHS. So hence we check. That means 3 is the solution of that given equation. So let's move to question number 2. Let's do question number 2, Roman number 2, that is t plus 8 whole divided by 3 is equals to t. So t plus 8 whole divided by 3 is equals to t. If t moves to this side, here 3 is divided, so if it moves to the other side, that means it becomes multiply here. So therefore 3 into t is 3t. So t plus 8 is equals to 3 into t, that is 3t. Since 3 is multiplied here, when it goes to the other side, by rule of transposition it becomes multiply. So that is 3 into t is equals to 3t. If t moves to this side, so here t is positive, so if it goes to the other side it becomes negative. Therefore 3t minus t, 3t minus t is equals to 2t. So therefore we can interchange the value and write, since if a is equals to b, we can write b is equals to a, so it is same thing. So therefore 8 is equals to 2t, so we can write 2t is equals to 8. So this 2 comes, since here 2 is multiplied, so therefore when 2 comes to the other side it comes down. So it comes down here. So therefore t is equals to 8 by 2. That means it divides. So here since it is multiplied, so when it moves to the other side it becomes divides. So that is 8 divided by 2 is equals to 4. So therefore the value of t is 4. So let us check. So LHS, so this is t plus 8 whole divided by 3. So if we put the value of t as 4, let's check what happens. So it is 4 plus 8 is equals to 12. So 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. So this 4 is the value of t, as we have already obtained. So therefore t plus 8 by 3 we got t, which is the RHS. So therefore LHS equals to RHS. So hence t is equals to 4 is the solution of the given equation. So let's move to question number 3. Question number 3, Roman number 2. It is given that twice m by 3 plus thrice m by 4 is equals to 17. So similarly, if we take the LCM, since both the variables, both the numbers which contain the m variables, so it is on the one side. So therefore if we take the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So therefore it is, if we divide 12 by 3 it is 4, so 4 into twice m, plus if we divide 12 by 4 it is 3, so 3 into thrice m is equals to 17. So 4 into twice m, 4 to the 8, 8m, so 3 into 3, that is 9m whole divided by 12 is equals to 17. So therefore 8m plus 9m is equals to 17m whole divided by 12 is equals to 17. So here 17 is divided. So when it goes to the moves to the other side, it becomes multiplied. That means it goes down. That means it goes up. So whatever is down here, it goes up, and whatever it is written up here, so it goes down. That means 17 is multiplied here in this case. So when it moves to the other side, it becomes divide. So that means it is like a cross multiplication. So what is there up, so when it comes to the other side, it comes down. So what is there in the down, so what when it goes to the other side, it goes up. So m is equals to this 17, so 12 will go up and 17 will come down. So 17 cancel, so therefore the value of m is 12. Therefore LHS twice m by 3 plus thrice m by 4. So if we put the value of m as 12, so 2 into 12 whole divided by 3, if we cancel, so it is 2 into 4, that is 8. So if we cancel this 4, it becomes 3 into 3, that is 9. So 8 plus 9 is equals to 17, which is the RHS, since it is given in the question. So it is the RHS, that is 17. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. So hence the m is the that is m is equals to 12 is the solution of the given equation. So question number 4, it is little bit similar to that earlier questions. So let's move to question number 5. So question number 5, so this is the question given. So here, so let's take the LCM on both the sides. We do it separately. So if we take the LCM, it is the LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So if we divide 21 by 7, it is 3. So therefore 3 into x plus 3. Again, if we divide 21 by 3, it is 7. So 7 into twice x minus 5. Similarly here, if we take the LCM, it is 5. So thrice x minus 5. Again, it 5 goes up, that is 5 into 25. So 5 divides 1, that is 5. So 5 into 25. So therefore, if we take out the bracket, it is thrice x plus 9 minus 14x plus 35. And here it is thrice x minus 5 minus 5 into 25, 125 whole divided by 5. So it is thrice x minus 14x, that is 3 minus 14, it is minus 11x. Thrice x minus 14x, so that is 3 minus 14 is minus 11, therefore minus 11x plus 9 plus 35, it is 44. And here we can write as thrice x minus 5 minus 125 is minus 130 whole divided by 5. So now we cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, let's see what happens. So this 5 we multiply with minus 11x plus 44, and 21 we multiply with thrice x minus 130. So after the multiplication, it is minus 55x plus 220 equals 63x minus 2730. So therefore, if we take this 55 to the other side, since here it is minus, so it will become plus there. So therefore 63x plus 55x. And if this minus 2730 it comes to this side, that is from the right hand side to the left hand side, since it is minus, so it becomes plus. So therefore it is 2950 and it is 118x. So therefore we can interchange the value and write like this, that is 2950 is equals to 118x. So therefore we can write 118x is equals to 2950. So therefore the value of x, so this 118, that is 118, so it comes down. Since here it is multiplied, so when it comes to the other side, it becomes divide, so it comes down. So when we divide 2950 by 118, the value is 25. So this is the value of x. That means this is the solution of the given equation. So let's check whether it is correct or not. So now take the LHS part. So this is the LHS part. If we put 25 in place of x here in the left hand side, so 25 plus 3, so it is 25, 2 into 25 minus 5 whole divided by 3. So it is 25 plus 3, that is 28 by 7 minus, this is 50 minus 5 is equals to 45 by 3. So if we cancel here, it is 4 and it is 15. So therefore 4 minus 15 is equals to minus 11. Similarly on the right hand side, that is the RHS, so thrice x minus 5 whole divided by 5 minus 25. If we put the value of x is equals to 25, so 3 into 25 minus 5 whole divided by 5 minus 25. So this is 75 minus 5. So 75 minus 5, it is 70 by 5 minus 25. So 70 by 5, it is 14. So 14 minus 25 is equals to minus 11. As we can see, both the left hand side and right hand side is minus 11. So therefore left hand side is equals to right hand side. So therefore that means the value of x is 25 and 25 is the root or solution of the given equation. So that's all for today. The remaining we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.